There you go. Song of the day. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do.
All right. So, I don't know what day it is. Uh, one of them days in July. So I am currently smoking some big fat giant pork chops. You see my dogs out there? I'll try to zoom in for you here. See them right there? Wait do you see what they got up there in that tree? My Annie is awful happy and proud right now. And so is the fur bag. Look at her smiling. They're so happy. What you got, Annie? Huh? What you got? What's up there? All right, I know. If you've seen the short, you know. But I never knew. Oh, that sounds really bad. Let's go over here. I never knew that groundhogs could climb trees. Oh, here, focus on him. There you go. Look at that. I never knew they could climb trees. Now he's kind of stuck there till I go in. so so Annie, hi. You happy, aren't you, huh? My hunters in the fur bag. Yep, she doesn't like the camera, as you can see. Like, what? Don't point it at me. And Annie don't care. Annie's like, I'm gonna sit here all day. All right, let's go back there to the garden. If you guys could hold still, I'd be able to push that button and record. So we got to be, I don't know, the 15th of July. Let's say we're close to the 15th of July-ish. Somewhere in that ballpark, maybe the 17th. We've had a few rainstorms. Puppies is making some noise. I don't know if you can hear them because the mic's right here, but you know. So, the weeds really liked the rain, and a few other things did. I'm not sure. I still have potatoes are growing. They haven't died off yet, although I've harvested some. My borage has just gone a little crazy, along with the weeds back there. And my garlic is hit or miss. It is still growing, so for now I'm going to leave it. I have to do a little research to know when to harvest it. I think it's too soon for me to do so, so I haven't done it. Yeah, I don't know. I have onions in here somewhere. Somewhere there's some onions in here. You guys see them? I don't see them. Oh yeah, there's one right down in there. There's a bug in my eye. Here's one. There's one. I see it right there. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, it came over here with my hilling. And at the moment, you can see that I've harvested potatoes from here and over there. There's still one there because it was still alive. Yeah, you know. My cilantro has turned into coriander. So I might shake it back down in that pot and see if I can get cilantro to grow again. My strawberries, I've been eating them. Something else has been helping me eat them too. There's a bug on me. It's bugging me. Strawberries look okay. What was that? Oh, my fennel went to seed, so I'm not going to get the fennel that I wanted off of it this year. So I'm going to take the seed. The deer sausage I got, breakfast sausage, tastes more like beef than anything. So I might add some of the fennel seeds to it here. This is zucchini. This has grown some. I've gotten a couple off of here, and I think there's another one down in there growing. On the other side, the squash, she has not done anything. My nasturtium has finally grown. Yeah, you know, I've been harvesting the dill, trying to keep her from going to seed. See, I failed miserably. I've been harvesting the, what is that, basil. And you can see my cucumbers are barely off the ground. I have no idea what I did wrong this year. I think that I'm going to turn this all in. I didn't turn it this year, I left it. So I think I'm going to turn it all in this year at the end of the year. I have had to move my peppers because these little monsters Yeah, let me see if we can see them on any of these. I brought them outside so they could get wet. But what do they call these things? Aphids? See them there? In the inside, the aphids are so bad. Look at these leaves. They're all black and gooey. So I brought them out here so that critters had a better access to them. And I can see they don't really like the sun because they're not on top. But I brought them all out. So I just did this the other day. They're not real happy. But here's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. And there's 1 there, which is 5. And then 6 is over there. So we'll see if they survive. They don't look bad. Watered them today. You can see I tried dyed tenacious earth on there. That didn't work either. My oregano is just full. So I'll get another harvest off of that. I have not yet harvested my shade. I know I'm in it. My thyme looks okay. I haven't harvested any of that yet. There's a little bit of, go on the other side here. Rosemary. So I'm going to harvest some of that. She kind of finally took off, so I'm going to try to harvest that. That doesn't normally grow here. So my beans are looking much better. I have been eating beans. I need to harvest some. But like this one here with the bird poop on it, I'm not going to eat. Yeah, look at that. Ew. But this one over here, I'm going to eat. So yeah, my beans started taking off. Finally, might be canning some here in the next week or so. I won't eat this green pepper or green bean while I'm talking to you guys. So my pepper plants look a little droopy, that's all. My green beans look good. I'm not sure why this is dying off. Well, these are different potatoes. This is the only russets I have, so that might be their end of their season. So maybe I'll be able to get that video done for just doing the tires. That one back there looks fine. This one does not. Yeah, I went looking for carrots. You see, I didn't find any in here. Just a few down in here. So, there's a couple big ones down in here. I saw them. I just seen this little one right here. You see that little one down there? There's a little one there. There's another little one over there. And then I was standing over here doing something. And I found this one in here. So my pumpkins are growing. But I think that's the only one I see in there. I don't see anything else anywhere. No, not really. Got lots of flowers. Okay, so you see where I dug my peppers up. Yeah, dug them up good. So my tomatoes, these ones are producing fruit like mad. I've got some that's turning down there. See, I got one that's orange. I have no idea what these little short things are. They do. I know I've seen some. Let's see if I can find one. So they do kind of look like the right tomato, but then they don't. So I don't really know. And they're so slow, and then they're short. So these are clearly a determinate brand or species. Because indeterminates are vines; they keep going, like these ones are. They're going up around the ceiling, and I just intended to kind of crawl them across and let them go. I don't know what these are, and as you can see, I didn't have a whole lot of fruit on them that I can see anywhere. So yeah, I need to do a little work in here, but yeah, that's kind of my garden. We still have a boatload of puppies left. I know you guys can't see me like that, can you? I'll take you over there. But after dinner, we are going to clean dog runs, because when you got 6 puppies in each kennel, imagine. Of course, they can all see me. I'll give you a quick peek. They're all looking at me. But anyways, they all need homes, guys. That info is in the description below. More Pomskies on Facebook. The chickens. I got all the chickens indoors, I think. Let me check here real quick. Usually they come out when they see me, which is bad. But what I'm doing is looking to see if there's any out here in underneath the asparagus, and there is not. So we're going to go in and lock them in for the night. So, rooster. See, here they come. They heard me. So I got a couple extra roosters in here out of my pullets. I think they're called pullets. They're supposed to be sexed. So I got two of the Easter eggers I was supposed to have are roosters. That one, and I don't know where the other one is. He must be inside. I'm pretty sure the two of them are roosters. But everybody's doing okay in there. So yeah, everybody's in there doing their chicken thing. So this other one right there, that guy. I'll open the door up. So this one right here, I believe that's a rooster also. Looking at him. So, okay. So of course, you know, I got my alfalfa, the scratch, chicken feed, and then some black oiled sunflower seeds in there. So everybody's starting to get along. I think they are starting to lay eggs. I got some little tiny brown eggs, but I didn't get more than I'm supposed to yet, so I don't know for sure. You know, so if I get more than 4 brown ones, I know, pretty sure that's a hen, that's a hen, that's a hen, and that's a hen. That is a rooster. I'm pretty sure he's a rooster. You know, the other ones don't have the combs like that, and of course that guy that just came in is a rooster. So unfortunately, yeah, they're gonna probably go in the freezer too. In a bit, they're not growing as fast as the other ones, so I don't know if I'm gonna cover that day for you guys. So these ones attack the fence every time they see me. So these are only, I don't know, a month or so old, right? I fed them, so I'm gonna have to put them in the bigger cage over there because they're gonna outgrow this one here real quick. But they're getting there. We got another month or so, and we should be cleaning some birds here. And I watched a pretty decent video on how to, so I'll put it up over here in the corner. They changed the name of the channel, so I think it's 3 Mississippi or something like that. So Sid was cleaning chickens here recently, so she didn't show the culling part, or she kind of did, blurted out, but I mean, you know, that's how it goes. For you people that don't know, the stuff at the store looks like this, and somebody's got to do it. But yeah, so in a nutshell, that's my tour. What else I got to do? I got to get this chicken coop cleaned out. I want to go get some outbacks. The blackberries are coming in, so we'll go out there and do that. I still want to go fishing. I haven't done that. But yeah. There's my poo. He's looking at me. Oh, you guys fell over. Stupid phone. It's just like, what? All right, so it's only 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at that. Ain't a cloud in the sky. My dogs are still trying to get the groundhog out of the tree. That's where I'm going to take you. I'm going to take you over there and let you watch Annie try to climb that tree. Hang tight, folks. Y'all hear that? The puppies are all singing. So, yeah, that being said, we can't see the groundhog from here, but we can definitely see what Annie's doing from here. And y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.